with regards to the number of participants and those who would participate, number one, of course, the delegates of the National Mission Congress would join, and there are about 5,000 of them. And of course, we are inviting the faithful here in Cebu to attend, and of course, it's open to national, even to international level. So in other words, this event, especially the reenactment and also the anniversary of the baptism, is one of the focal point why our fellow Filipinos who are living abroad to come home because of that event. So we cannot really say how many, but we're expecting not only locals but even international Filipinos and even foreigners to come over on that day.
Let me add, I can picture it. I am quite sure that the whole CBCP would be here. That alone underlines the importance, and many other personalities would come to Cebu because it is a historical camp. It is a wonderful thing. I'm sure many people will come. It's an open, I think, public invitation, public event.
And also, especially since we have the Heritage Walk already, by the time, all the more tourists to Cebu. I am campaigning for that because my house is near the obelisk. It will escalate the value of real estate.